Hello everyone, today I will be making a sweet green chili sauce. First thing to do is to prepare all of the main ingredients. We have here the onion, the garlic, and the green chili. After we are done peeling them, we're gonna rinse them with water. Okay. As soon as we're done cleaning all of them, we're going to put this into the pan. We are going to roast this for about 5 minutes until you can see the browning of the ingredients. After 5 minutes, this is the result. So we just really want it to be roasted well, and we don't want to burn this. So we're going to pop this into the blender now. Pop it into the blender. The lid. Turn it on. I'm now adding the beef stock that I made. I'm also going to be making a tutorial on how to do this. Also, vinegar. Adding the vinegar. I decided to add all the liquid ingredients to, so that it would be easier for the blender to do the work. Now, we're gonna add some water. Once we're done, we need to get back to our pan. We're going to put some oil, whatever oil you want. Could be olive oil, canola oil. In my case, I'm adding olive oil. Let's pour this in. And I'm going to pour in the ingredients back right to the pan as soon as the oil turns really hot. Okay. Alright. So I'll just keep on mixing this because we don't want to burn the bottom part of our sauce. Mixing for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I pop this back into the blender because I'm still tasting some chunks, so I don't like the consistency of that. So I will be blending this for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is the result of our sauce. Now I'll put this back to the pan again, because this is the part where we're going to season the sauce. So now I'm putting the paprika, putting the salt, a little bit of soy sauce. Add some packed seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you have at home. Add some pepper and mix it well. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that while you're blending the ingredients, you can add as much sugar as you want. If you want it to be really very sweet, you can add lots of sugar into it. In my case, I actually added a lot of sugar because I wanted it to be very sweet to neutralize the spiciness of the chili. I also add a lot of vinegar so that it would be a little tangy. So yeah. To thicken the sauce, I have mixed some cornstarch and water in a cup, and I'm going to pour this in to the sauce. And just give it a good stir. We'll wait for it until it thickens. After 1 to 2 minutes, the sauce has already thickened. Now we are going to transfer this into a container. So now I'm transferring the sauce to a sauce container, whatever you call it. Okay. And voila, your sauce is done. You can now start using this, or pop this into your fridge and use this tomorrow or in a couple of weeks. And this is the bomb.